welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and easy recipe. A quesadilla of zucchini flour. Yes, and it's perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Onion salt, chicken bouillon, garlic cloves, black pepper, tomato, diced onion with cilantro, corn, 2 poblano chilies, 2 red chilies, tortillas, mozzarella cheese, and the star, the flour of the zucchini. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious quesadilla at home. So let's get started. I want to start first with my poblano chilies. I have washed and dried them very good. And now let's go to the stove and start roasting them. You want to make sure that you roast them from both sides until all the skin is nice and roasted. When this is ready, you're going to have ready a plastic bag. So you could put every single one in this plastic bag like in a sauna. So all the skin starts coming off very easily. I'm gonna go ahead, add my 2 chile poblanos here, and when they are ready in about 5 minutes, I'm gonna take the skin off, I'm gonna take the seeds off, and then I'm gonna start slicing them so that I could add it to all the delicious flavors we're gonna add into this quesadilla. Look at this. The poblano chili really gives it an amazing taste. Well, I'm gonna go ahead, transfer this to a plate, reserve it, so when I am ready to use it, the poblano chilies are done. Now I have my tomato here, which I'm gonna dice and cube, and I'm going to leave the seeds on them. I'm just gonna cube it, just like that, and of course, the tomato is going to leave all those delicious flavors in the rest of the ingredients. Here I have the tomato ready and done, and let's reserve it. I have my 2 chilies. These chilies are not spicy, but you know something? I'm gonna take the seeds and the veins out just to make sure that the quesadillas don't come out spicy at all. You could add some jalapeno or some serrano chili if you want the quesadillas to be spicy. But this time I don't. I don't want to add any spice on these delicious quesadillas. Okay, let's reserve these chilies and let's continue with the garlic cloves. You want to make sure that you dice very finely your 3 garlic cloves. Once they are completely done, transfer them to a small little plate, and then you know something? Then you're ready to start with this delicious quesadilla. Let me show you the flour of the zucchini. This is how I bought it, and I just pulled it apart, put it through running water, and rinsing it very well. And then I just shredded the flour of the zucchini, just like that, in little strips. My pan is nice and hot, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. To this, I'm gonna start adding the ingredients. I added the corn, the tomato, the diced onion with cilantro. I'm adding the chilies, and then let's cook this. Adding the garlic cloves. Let's cook it for about 4 minutes. Add your black pepper, your chicken bouillon, your onion powder, and cook it for about 4 minutes. When it's been cooking for 4 minutes,
Then it's time. It's time to add your poblano chilies. The reason that you add your poblano chilies at the end is so that they don't come apart. Because remember that you roasted them. So you want to make sure that you only cook the poblano chili just for 1 more minute. And then, you know something? That's it. This mixture is completely ready. There is no liquid. The tomato has already dissolved completely. And now I am ready to just put it in this plate. Let it rest until it's nice and cooled down before I start making my delicious quesadillas. Okay, I added my tortillas, my mozzarella cheese, all those veggies, and right on the top, the flour of the zucchini. Look at this. These quesadillas are amazing. They taste delicious. I know that once you make them, you are going to continue making this delicious recipe. And now I am ready for the presentation. See you in a bit.
With these delicious quesadillas of zucchini flour. This is the part I really love and enjoy. I added some aguacate and some red salsa that you already have on my channel. And of course, I'm going to enjoy with this refreshing lemonade. Passion fruit, star fruit lemonade. That of course you guys already have on my channel. But this is the part I really love and enjoy. And I'm going to stop talking because I want to add some salsa in the center. And of course some avocado. And then I am ready to enjoy this delicious quesadilla made at home with lots of love. Excuse me. This quesadilla is so delicious, so many flavors in here. I know you guys are really going to love it. I hope, my friends, you make it at home and enjoy with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. And combined with this amazing lemonade, just perfection. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course,